it's your girl Leticia coming straight out of sunny SoCal. It's your girl, and if you haven't already joined the family, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. That way you don't miss out on more updates on how to help you save money or make money. Let's get started. So I don't know if you guys heard, the reason why you clicked on this video, proximity marketing is hot. This is the newest and latest update today from Royaltie. If you do have the digital business card, if you do not, go to tools.bootcampcrusher.com. You're gonna slide down to get your digital business card. Now, if you already have it, you may have gotten the email about the news. So first off, let me start out with telling you that Google no longer, as of, let's see, I got notes here, December 6th will no longer get our beacon notification stating whatever message we were marketing to them from our digital business card. Now, I'm actually doing this video from my phone right now, so I can't show you the app, but if you click on the link that I'll put above this video, I do have a video speaking about the beacon already, which is this right here. Bluetooth enabled beacon. You can broadcast letters and numbers to each person while you're marketing your business card. Normally this would hit any type of Android phone, but stay tuned to the end of this video. I still have more to talk about. So Google's nearby notifications will no longer be active. So what that means for us is, you know, it's still good news for us. Other companies, I see a lot of other companies going out of business because of this, that use beacon technology. So they might just give up. But the founder and the owner of Royaltie knew about this. He even knew when they took away Google Plus, okay? Google Plus just went away. I don't know if you guys knew that, out of thin air. They didn't even warn anybody about that because of a data breach. So he knew that someday Google might not have the nearby notifications, which is all right, because guess what? Please go ahead and check that video out before this one. That way you know how powerful this is. If you haven't gotten your digital business card, you can market anything. You can have unlimited digital business cards. For me, I have my econ and all my other tools that I utilize for business under there to help me boost my econ business. I have different digital business cards that I blast notifications to just from a simple app on my phone in proximity to me. So for example, if I'm at a fair or a mall or a grocery store, just simply click the button and any person near me will get the notifications. So the exciting news, dun, 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 can I get a drum roll please, is that this beacon will now be alerted to your popular applications on your phone, whether you have iPhone or an Android or a tablet or you're on your computer. If you're on Facebook, if you're on Snapchat, if you're on CNN application, if you're on Twitter, they will see our advertisement. Oh my God, and now we're not even limited to 40 characters anymore. It's an unlimited amount of text, so they'll get the alert, they'll get the advertisement through everything. So we are not gonna be hurt by that, are we? So if you haven't already, click the button down below or go to tools.bootcampcrusher.com to get started. Proximity marketing is so hot. Everything is digital now, guys. It's easier than paying for ads. You can get this gem, and the cool part about it, if you didn't already know, there is an affiliate program associated with this. So make sure, you know, disclaimer, I always say your primary business is making money, and then you add on an additional auto ship. But it won't be an additional auto ship if you're sending out multiple referrals to where you don't even have to pay for this monthly. It's essentially free. That's exactly what I state on my website. So you don't want to keep adding on bills, right? We're trying to become financially free. So if you want people to know about your gym, your doctor, you have announcements for church, whatever it is, your online business, you're doing a meeting or some sort, or you got something on sale from your e-commerce store, whatever it may be, we will now be able to market to iPhones, tablets, and cell phones on the most popular applications and websites out here. Okay, so what you'll want to do now is make sure that you click that notification bell on my channel. That way you'll be notified of when we actually launch this out from Royaltie. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited. So get your digital business card now, set it up. They send you email instructions with the video. on how to make it look pretty, how to make it look nice. You can put a YouTube video in there, you can put a few pictures in there, you can put your website link, you can put all your social media links, your phone number, your email. You can have a contact form on there for them. That way you can always get back to them. You can contact them through the app as well. So you guys, like, this is the situation of life. So get started, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.